Good morning student, how are you all? Hope you all are good. So student, today we are going to learn page number 28 or 29, operation on like sorts. Okay, first we will learn how to simplify. Okay, how to simplify sorts. Okay, so here we have given, this is the example. Okay, so example is 7 root 3. Okay, 7 root 3 plus 39 root 3. Okay, sorry, 29 root 3. Okay, so we have given 7 root 3 and plus 29 root 3. So we can see here 3 root 3 is common here. Now we will write here root 3 as it is, and we will add these two numbers 7 or 29. So 7 plus 29. Okay, here we will add these both number, because here is given addition sign. Okay, now 7 plus 29 is 36. Okay, and root 3 as it is. So this is how to simplify the sorts. Okay, so this is the answer. Now we will do here second example. So if here is given root 13 root 8 plus 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 root 8. Okay, minus 5 1 by minus 5 root 8. Okay, so here we have given 13 root 8 plus 1 by 2 root 8 minus 5 root 8. Okay, so we have to simplify these sorts. Now we will do 13. We will add these number 13, 1 by 2 and minus 5. Okay, now here we will write 1 by 2 minus 5. 13, 1 by 2 minus 5. Okay, and root 8 common in these three numbers, so we will write here only root 8. Clear? Now we will add these both number. So how to add these both number? First we will LCM. So suppose here is nothing in denominator, so we will write here 1. Okay, so first we will LCM, we will find the LCM of these denominator. So तो हमारा LCM क्या आएगा 2. Now 2 ones are 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2, तो 2 का 13 में टेबल, हम 2 को हम 13 में टेबल करेंगे तो 13 into 2, so 26. Okay, now plus sign. Okay, now 2 ones are 2, so 1 and 1 ones are 1. Now 2 ones are 2 and 5, so 5 twos are 10. Okay, now and root 8 as it is रहेगा. Now we will add 26 or 1. Okay, so 26 and 1, 27 minus 10 by 2. Okay, root 8 as it is. Now 27 minus 10, so 17 by 2, root 8. Clear? Okay, so now what we will do here? So here is root 8. So we will find the factor of root 8 first. Okay, so first we will find the factor of root 8. So 17 by 2. 17 by 2. Here I'm going to write here. Okay. So here is given 17 by 2 root 8. 17 by 2 root 8. Now we will find the factor of root 8. Okay. So 2 2s are 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 17 by root 2. Okay. And 8 का फैक्टर क्या आया है यहाँ? 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2. ओके, क्योंकि हमको यहाँ से डिनोमिनेटर हटाना है. सो वी विल फाइंड द फैक्टर ऑफ 8. ओके, नाउ तो देखिए 2 यहाँ पर 2 का हमारा एक ग्रुप बना हुआ है. सो वी विल राइट 2. हम 2 बाहर लेंगे and only 1 2 is here, so we will write here 2. Okay, now we will cut these 2. Okay, हम ये दोनों 2 को कट कर सकते हैं क्योंकि ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है and this one is division. Okay, now 17 root 2 is our answer. हमारे पास ये दोनों 2 कट जाएंगे. यहाँ पे 2 को हमने बाहर क्यों लिया है? बिकॉज दिस इज कॉमन. ओके, दिस इज मतलब कॉमन होता है ना, ये 2 एक ग्रुप बना हुआ है 2 का. अगर यहाँ पर भी एक 2 होता तो ये 2 ग्रुप बन जाते, बट ओनली 3 2 हियर. तो वी विल राइट ओनली दिस 2 in outside. Clear? So this is the answer. Okay, so this is how to simplify the solve. Okay, now we will do multiply. How to multiply the solves? Okay, how to multiply solves. Clear? So here is the first example is root 7 multiply root 42. Okay, so we have given 7 multiply 42. Okay, now first we will find here factor of 42. Okay, we will find the factor of 42. सो 7 का फैक्टर तो नहीं निकलेगा बिकॉज 7 का कोई फैक्टर नहीं निकलेगा. सो हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पे 7 मल्टीप्लाई एंड वी विल राइट द फैक्टर ऑफ 2. सो फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड द फैक्टर ऑफ 42. ओके, सो 42 का फैक्टर कैसे निकालेंगे? 2 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 1 ज़ा 2. नाउ 21 इज हियर. सो 7 से जाएगा 7 3 ज़ा 21, 3 1 ज़ा 3. सो 2 multiply 7 multiply 3. Okay, our factor is 2 multiply 7 multiply 3. Okay, now 7 as it is रहेगा root 7. Now 2 3 just 6, तो 7 into 6 हम कर सकते हैं. Now 7 6 जा 42 ही होगा. Okay, so we can see here is common 7. okay, हमको यहाँ पे common 7 यहाँ पर हमको find होता है. so we will write here we can write these 7 like this. okay, हम इसको s टाइप से लिख सकते हैं. 7 का मल्टीप्लाई इन सबसे कर सकते हैं. 7 multiply 6. okay, and we can see here is 2 7. okay, 2 7 is there. so we will write 7. ओके, हम इसको रूट के आउटसाइड लिख सकते हैं. वी कैन राइट 7 आउटसाइड ऑन द रूट. ओके, एंड ओनली 6 इज हियर, सो वी विल राइट रूट 6. ओके, 7 रूट 6. ओके, सो दिस इज अवर आंसर. सो दिस इज हाउ टू मल्टीप्लाई सॉल्व्स. ओके, क्लियर? Okay, first we will find the factor of 42, because 42 is the big number, so we can find the factor of 42. Okay, so we got 7 multiply 6 here, and we can multiply these both numbers. So 7 multiply 7 multiply 6. Okay, now say 7 is the common. 7 we can write here 7 outside the root, and only 6 here, 6 is left, so we will write here 6. Okay, so 7 root 6 is our answer. Okay, so this is how to multiply sort. Now we will do division of the sorts. Divide. Okay, so how to divide the sorts? So here we have given 1 to 5, 1 to 5 divided root 5. Clear? So 1 to 5 divided root 5. So we can write 1 to 5 means 125 divided by root 5, and we can write these 1 to 5 root 1 to 5 divided by 5. Okay, हम इसको इस टाइप से भी लिख सकते हैं, and we can write like this also. And 125 by 5, so we can cut these both number. So 5 को हम इससे कट करेंगे तो 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, and 2 is here, so 5 5s are 25. Now 25. So root 25, we got root 25 here. Now we can see here 25 is the square root of 5. Okay, 25 किसका square root है? 5 का square root है. So we will write here 5. Okay, only 5. So this is our answer. Clear? Okay, it is very easy. You can do it easily. Okay, now we will do rationalization of sorts. So rationalization of sorts, how to rationalization of sorts? Rationalization the denominator of sorts. So if here is given 3, okay, sorry, if here is given sorry, we will do Z. So if here we have given 3 2 root 7. Okay, 3 divided 2 root 7. Okay, so rationalization the denominator is means we have to means we have given here root 7. So हमको यहाँ से जो डिवीजन में जो डिनोमिनेटर में हमको जो रूट में जो भी नंबर दिया है, तो हमको इसको अलग करना है. ओके, सो हम जैसे if we have given 3 2 root 7. Okay, so we will write here 3 2 root 7 like this, and 7 we will write here multiply and division, sorry, multiply and divide by root 7. Okay, and we will write here 2 root 7 and multiply, हम multiply करेंगे 7 को दोनों तरफ. ओके, and 3 3 to root. So we will multiply 3 multiply 7. Okay, 3 रूट 7 को हम ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड 2 रूट 7 और रूट 7 को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वी विल राइट ओनली 7 हियर. ओके, मीन्स रूट रूट का जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है तो वो सिंगल नंबर ही होगा. ओके, सो 3 रूट 7 वी विल राइट लाइक दिस एंड 7 टू ज़ 40. ओके, सो क्या हुआ इसमें 3 रूट 7 बाय 14. ओके, सो दिस इज अवर आंसर. ओके, 3 रूट 7 बाय 14 इज अवर आंसर. क्लियर? ओके, so we will do our practice set 2.3 in our next video. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, so thank you so much.